A lot of people ask me about the risks and benefits of using Rogaine. I've made videos about hair loss for years and I personally also use Minoxidil. But there's still a lot of confusion about the pros and cons of this product. So let me help clear things up. First, Minoxidil is a liquid you put on your scalp twice a day. The companies selling this recommend using it once in the morning and once in the evening. But since Minoxidil has a half-life of 22 hours, you can use it once a day and still get good results. This is what I do myself. It's important to note that Minoxidil won't grow back all of your hair if you're already bald. So if you think that it will give you a full head of hair, it won't. But what it can do is slow down the hair loss progress. Remember, genetic hair loss usually gets worse over time. So if Minoxidil can slow down and even thicken your hair, that's a big benefit. It might not make all your hair come back, but it can make a positive change in how your hair looks. You also have to use Minoxidil every day for it to work. If you don't use it regularly, you will notice hair shedding. Minoxidil puts your hair into a growth phase. So if you stop using it randomly, your hair will shed more often. It is normal if your hair sheds in the first week of using the product, but after that your hair will get thicker and fuller. Another question people ask is, what if I stop using Minoxidil? Will I lose all my hair? Well, not exactly. You see, if you stop using Minoxidil, your hair will go back to what it would have been if you never started using Minoxidil in the first place. Some people use this as a reason not to start, but I think that's a mistake. It's like brushing your teeth every day. You wouldn't stop because they might get bad if you quit. Or think about exercise. If you work out, you stay strong. But if you stop, you will lose strength over time. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't start. It's the same with Minoxidil. These are some facts people need to know about Minoxidil. I will be making a similar video about finasteride soon. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.